buongiorno paesani! Che stai facendo? Making olives. How many of you got into a fist fight to get a box of olives at Bonanza on Sunday? Well, I'm not one of them. My friend is. I didn't make it on time. So how do you make Sicilian olives? You take an olive, you find yourself a nice rock, you smash it once, then...
You smash your husband's head twice?
Yeah, you smash your husband's head twice. You smash the olive, then you put it in a jar, like this. You put a clove of garlic, which you smash it, so that the juices come out. Then you add a little bit of... What is this? Oregano. Oregano. I keep thinking it's basil.
You're Sicilian, right?
Yeah, oregano. A bit of oregano, a pinch of oregano, and the real Sicilian way of measuring salt. It's the cap of a mousse can, hair mousse. This is how we measure the salt.
Yeah, they do that in the Valigia.
Yeah.
They have mousse. They find the biggest mousse can. They get it. It kind of fell off the tree with the olives. There's the mousse cap. The
Put
mousse
a cap, cap of salt, and then we add l'acqua. We add the water all the way to the top, which I'm gonna be missing. So you basically fill it all up with water all the way to the top. And then you close it and you put it upside down for a month, and then you turn them over right side up again the next month, and within 3 months you could eat your olives. So that's it. That's the Sicilian lesson of how to make olives. Ci vediamo presto. Salutiamo.